Welcome back to another episode of One Screen and One Bite. Don't forget to reserve or download your copy of the QR Code Marketing ebook. It'll be in the comments or the show notes, the description below. Let's learn why you earn. This is Tactical and Practical QR Code Marketing Tips. Recently, we shared some ways that business owners and brand marketers can use QR codes in their marketing campaigns. While driving consumers to web pages is an obvious goal of many campaigns, it's just one of the numerous benefits. From boosting brand awareness to increase engagement and leads, QR codes can be used to accomplish a number of goals. However, executing successful campaigns takes a lot more than just throwing QR codes onto out-of-home advertisements and expecting new sales. Like other marketing campaigns, QR codes require you to know your audience and inspire them to take action. So how should brands deploy QR code marketing? And what are some of the best practices they should follow? Below, we're going to outline some of those tactical tips that can help you get the most from your campaigns. While this three-step process may be simplified, it should serve as a primer to help get you thinking about implementing QR codes into your strategies. Know your audience. To start, you have to know who's interacting with your company. This means considering the context of the physical space your consumers will be engaging with your QR codes and knowing where they may be in the customer journey. So if you're a restaurant, for example, you want to drive new customers and increase food sales, well, this means you have to reach out to local patrons in locations that are convenient for them. In 2020 and beyond, contactless dining is not only convenient, it's also compliant with CDC guidelines. In this context, restaurants can use QR code menus in their dining areas and beyond to create a safe, contactless experience. However, codes can be used to do a lot more, like drive diners to videos on messaging from your chef, provide important information like where the ingredients are sourced from, or additional content that creates a more immersive dining experience. This holistic approach to creating better experiences can increase average ticket size, improve the frequency of visits, and boost the lifetime value of your customers. Giving patrons multiple access points to your restaurants helps to build brand and expands your footprint beyond your physical location, making you more convenient, which is a competitive advantage in any climate. Sticking with the angle of a restaurant owner, you can use QR codes to reach hungry consumers who may be enticed to order delivery while at a bus stop waiting for public transportation. Or you can reach busy parents looking for a quick dinner that are picking up their kids in the lobby of a daycare facility. Tell them what to expect. Regardless of where you're reaching your customers, it's important to be as explicit and instructive as possible to your users. By reducing all potential barriers to entry, you should tell your end users where your CTAs are driving them. Let them know what to expect. One of the most obvious ways to use QR codes is for discounts, promos, and other sales-driven initiatives, as is often the case with e-commerce marketing. However, your QR codes don't always have to link out to a hard discount or lead generation mechanism. It's a common misconception that QR codes can only link out to web addresses. As we reviewed, they can link out to instructional videos, in-store payments, map locations, contact cards, and a whole lot more. It's possible to integrate them with your current marketing efforts. I'm going to keep moving because I see the clock ticking. Again, I'm going to get you in and out of here in 5 minutes. For example, SaaS companies can use QR codes to direct users to download page of an app. And sales teams can link out to product demos. By circumventing the need for paid search or paid social, you can drive users to places you want them, all without the added expense of a pay-per-click advertising model. Driving traffic directly to your content offer creates an instant connection with your users and circumvents other paid channels and potential competition search results, meaning you get great insight about your core audience and you can do it more efficiently. Above all, get creative. Did you know that QR codes come with customization capabilities? While many people may assume that the standard black and white color palette is the only option for QR codes, this couldn't be further away from the truth. Using color is one of the easiest ways for codes to stand out. Much like other branded efforts like your logo and web design, selecting background and foreground colors that are in high contrast will help draw people in to engage with that QR code. While flexing your creative muscles is recommended, it's also important to be intentional with your efforts. Better branding means better brand awareness. But at the end of the day, it's important that people recognize it's a QR code. However, by understanding your audience, telling them exactly what to expect, and using your brand elements to your advantage, you can create great QR code marketing campaigns that are engaging, instructive, and successful. As always, share this if it's been helpful, and we'll see y'all next time.